How to change your Peacock TV password. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your Peacock TV password. So now let's get started. Whether you want to enhance your online security or simply refresh your password, you have come to the right place. So I'll guide you through the straightforward steps to change your Peacock TV password, ensuring that your binge watching experiences are both enjoyable and secure. So please remember to create a password that is at least 12 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now let's go through the steps to change your Peacock TV password. First of all, you have to open a web browser and then after go to peacocktv.com and sign into your Peacock account if prompt. And click on your Peacock profile picture at the top of your screen, and this will take you to a menu where you can switch your user accounts. Click on the account at the top of the screen and you may need to sign in again to confirm your identity. And then click on settings in the menu at the top of the screen, and this is where you can update your personal information. Go to the password section and then click on reset password, and this will start your process of changing your Peacock password, and then click on continue to receive an email at the address linked to your Peacock account that will allow you to change your password. So you'll need a confirmation that an email has been sent, and open the email account associated with your Peacock account and then find the email from the Peacock with the subject reset your password. Click on the reset password link in the email and you will be redirected to a screen where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the two fields provided and then click on the update password option, and you will receive a message confirming that your Peacock password has been successfully reset. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can reset or change the password in your Peacock TV. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.